Praying for children is grounded in faith, love, and the pursuit of divine guidance. Approach prayer with unwavering faith in its power to effect positive change. Express deep love and concern for the child's well-being during prayer. Seek divine guidance for the child's path and decisions through prayer. Effective prayer involves specific methods tailored to a child's needs. Pray for a child's physical safety and protection from harm. Pray for a child's good health and healing during illness.
Okay guys, so let's get started with creating our video right now. So I'm going to put a link down to this website down below. So just click that link that you see down below this video. It brings you to this website. So once you bring it to this website, you're going to see a place where you just sign up right here. You can see I'm signing already right now. So and it's going to give you free credit that you can start creating tons of videos right now. So when you see all this left hand side, just come right here to this story to video. Just come right here. Just click on this story to video. Once you click on that story to video, so you're going to see all this. If you've been watching my video, you understand all of this better right now. So we need a landscape video this time. So we need a YouTube version, not a portrait, not a TikTok or YouTube short. We need a landscape right now. We're going to click English right here. You can choose other language, Espanol, Portuguese. We have English right here. So we want a Cinderella kind of a video right now. So we're going to choose Destiny. You can see Destiny character is what we're going to choose. So I'm going to choose Destiny for us. So here, if you have your script already, just put your script right here. Paste your script. Maybe if you have already generated your script with other AI platform like ChatGPT, you have it right there. But I want this AI website to generate script for us. So I'm just going to copy. You can put whatever title. You can say how to eat, how to lose weight, or how to train your dog, whichever one. But what I want to do right now is how to pray for kids. That's the title of my video. Here you can come and see samples of other videos. These are the videos that are trending right now. Video doing 63 million, 61 million, just using this platform, 60 million, 53 million. This one for kids version, 72 million. So you can see this AI is amazing. This platform is amazing. So you can see this one has done 52 million. It just lost me. So you can choose right here to run the script. You can use this script to structure your own script, but I don't want to. This one is rescue niche. You can see this video are doing amazingly well, but that's not why we're here. We just want to give this AI title. You can choose your duration of your video. You can choose 3 minutes to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, or custom. This one can do 1 hour to 2 hours video for us, and we're just going to pick here to also auto generate script for us. So this thing is going to generate script for us right now. So just come to this next button and just click on this next icon to click on next button right here. Okay, yeah, so here we are right now. This AI generated our script for us right now. You can say praying for kids is grounded in faith, love, and all of those things. Approach prayer with unwavering faith in its power. So basically it has generated all of this script for us right now. Scene 2, that's scene 1 is this, scene 2 is here, scene 3, this is scene 3 right here. So this video is going to be awesome. So if there's anything you don't like in any of the scene, if you don't like this, maybe if you're not cool with the hook, if the hook is not catchy enough for you, you can rewrite this. You can change this setting right now. But for the sake of this video, so this video don't get too long, I'm just gonna say next right here. So just move on to the next one right here. So here is saying click here, click the card below to edit the character. So basically it didn't detect any character for us right now, but if you want to add a character, you can just click here right now to add a character to our video. But basically right now, no character. Just come to this next yellow button and click on next right now. So it's going to start generating our storyboard for us right now. So wait. Okay guys, so it's done generating our storyboard right now. You can see right now this is the speed of our voiceover. You can increase it or decrease it. This is the voiceover person that I choose for us. You can decide to change it to a female voice or another male voice. You can choose all kinds of female. You can even choose a child male voice right there. We're gonna leave it at this. Williams, you can see generate auto generate 16 storyboard for us. Here is the first image that this AI generated for us. If you don't like these images that this AI generate for you as a first script right now, where you need to change it is come to this right down side below right here, and you can change this one to a child praying in the bedroom. Or let me just type this to change this right now, so just hold on. Okay guys, so you can see my prompt right here. You can pause this video to read this prompt that I generate. You can just click here to say regenerate. So it's going to regenerate this our first image for us right now. So then we wait for it to regenerate the image. Okay guys, so this is the image that is generate for us right now. I'm cool with this image. I will have changed it to make the mother bigger and the child smaller, but I'm gonna leave this image right now because it's a cartoon kind of image, so this is allowed. But I want to make this, I want to animate this right now. I want to make this image to move right now. So just come right to this down and click on this animate that you're seeing here right now. So we're gonna use Ilio to animate this right now. So okay guys, so we don't have enough credits to animate this image right now, so that's not going to stop us. So if you're not still cool with this other image that you're seeing here, if there's anyone you don't like right here, you can still change them, but I'm good with all this image that you're seeing here. So I'll just come right here and just click on next right here. So we can't animate our image because we don't have enough credit right now, so let's just click on next right here. So it's going to generate our video. So here you can see how fast this is. It's generate our video right now. So this is what it's trying to choose as the thumbnail, but we don't like that to be our thumbnail. So you can change all this text format right here, or me, I like to remove it. I don't want it to have a thumbnail for me. Then here you can choose our subtitle. Our subtitle can be any of this thing, any of this style that you're seeing here right now, but I like this one. So this is the one I like. So you can choose music right here. You can pick any of the music. You can say apply this music, or we'll come apply this one. You can apply this music. This one has been applied, so this music is there already. So once the music is there, you can just come right here. The music is 100%, so we need to change it to, we need to change the music to 50 or even 30%. So change the music to 30%, the volume of the music to 30% right here, so that the music will not be as loud as the video volume. So just come right here and click on generate right now. So we're doing 16 by 9 video. We can do 1080p, or we can leave it at 720. Let's do 1080. So we also need more credit to do 1080, so we're just gonna leave this right now. Okay, you just come right here and click on generate. So okay, so it's going to start generating our image, our video right now. So you can see our video is generating right now. Give us the title, give us the description, and give us the tag right here. If you don't like this title, you don't have to go with it. You can change the title using ChatGPT right here. We're gonna wait for our video to finish generating right now. Okay, so here guys, our video is done creating right now. You can click here to play your video. You can click here to fast forward the speed of the video. Click here to download. You can increase the volume of your video right here. You can make it full the screen so you can watch it on a big screen. You can click here to go back to continue the edit. You can click here to download it if you're cool with the video. Here you can publish the video on the platform so that other people can see this video and they can learn or see the style of your video and all that. Guys, look at how cool this video is. Tell me how you feel about this video in the comment section below.
Praying for children is grounded in faith, love, and the pursuit of divine guidance. Approach prayer with unwavering faith in its power to effect positive change. Express deep love and concern for the child's well-being during prayer. Seek divine guidance for the child's path and decisions through prayer. Effective prayer involves specific methods tailored to a child's needs. Pray for a child's physical safety and protection from harm. Pray for a child's good health and healing during